Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to have a unboxing of the Teamoy craft bag. I've already got the larger size bag on my YouTube channel, so I will put the link for you for that one, and it's going to pop up on your screen on the right hand side. This is the smaller version. I thought I would grab the smaller version as well to let you know how that goes, because the big one is quite large. But it's great to have different sizes depending on what project you're going to use, and if you're going away, the smaller one is definitely easier to pack in your suitcase. So I thought I'd grab the small one to let you know. And anything I do a review on, most of these items I've actually purchased myself. And if you make a purchase via one of my affiliate links, you will be helping me keep my video tutorials and written patterns coming out, because from your purchase I will earn a little tiny commission at no extra cost to you. And then that helps me keep going with all my patterns that I keep coming out with. So I'm just going to take it out of the plastic. So ripping off a band-aid, just do it really quickly. So you've got the Teamoy label there. Oh, this is a much cuter size. So we've got a little zip on the back here. I'm assuming that's a handle. Yeah, got the handle tucked in there. We've got a zip pocket. Terrible colour for trying to show you what there is, but got a zip pocket on the side there. Let's flip it over. You can see it's all packed up. So it has the same functions by the look of it as the larger size. So I'm just getting this out. This is the handle. These handles are great. It has a padded section there, so it's not uncomfortable on your shoulder, so I'll pop that to the side. And it's got this little flip top bit here, and then a clear panel flip top there, and then you can actually put your hand inside. So let's just get the bag open. So when this is all zipped up, do have to do a little bit of fiddling around just to get it all set up. It'll be much easier the more you use it. I'm just going to zip this up. There we go. So on the top here it has this little section where you can open that. It's also got a little pocket here with a zip, so you can zip that one up. And this flips open, and you can put your hand right inside, so it's easy access to anything that's in this back pocket, and also the front pocket. You can see you can just pop your hand over in there. And then you've got, on this one, you've got 3 yarn holes which guides your yarn out. I think on the large bag it was 6. If that's incorrect, I'll put a thing on the screen. But we've got 3 holes there. You can open this up. There's also these little Velcro bits here. I'm hoping that's showing up on camera. So when you finish with your project and you've finished your yarn, or you've finished a certain colour, you can just pop your yarn in there, put the Velcro back across, and it will just hold your yarn in place. So let's just unzip the bag again. It's a little bit difficult because it was all folded up. So you've got one large pocket, and then 1, 2, 3 smaller pockets. So lots of room in that one, and then some smaller ones, but still quite a bit of room in there. And then at the back we have the large pocket, which I would just put my phone and my purse and everything in there, and then project on top, and then yarn in this front one. So this also has a side pocket like the larger version, you can see. And then also like the larger version, it has a clear pocket on the side. So I'm doing a different style of unboxing. This is a different view for you. Let me know if you prefer this view, or if you prefer it when I'm actually holding the project and showing you that way. So loads of room in there. And I'm just going to spin it around, and I'm going to turn it over, because we have a pocket here. I'm going to just squash it down. It just sits better for the moment. Got to unzip. This is the front of the bag, and you can unzip that. You've got another Notions pocket in there, and then also on the flat part you've got a zip up clear pocket there. And then you've got lots of slots for crochet hooks and scissors and all sorts of things. And that bit there, your crochet hook goes in and your hook part goes in there so it doesn't snag on anything. It's a very great idea. So this is the smaller bag. All the dimensions will be on my website post. I'm just unzipping that back up. And you just need to push down that bottom when you very first get it. Once you've got things stuffed in there, it'll be fine. This is a great project bag, and I would recommend using this for a shawl. Unless it's a really, really big shawl, it won't fit, but it definitely fit if it was a shawl. It'd be great for socks, it'd be great for hat patterns, any baby items that you're making. Not blankets, of course, but any baby items like jackets, hats, jumpers, all sorts of things. Definitely great size for that. I'm going to be taking this away so I can do a review and use it on my holiday. So I'm going to come back and let you know what I think of this. But for now, if you wanted to grab your version, I've got the larger version of this and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. And I've just been using it to make a baby blanket, and it was perfect for that. And there was loads of room in it and enough room to put all your personal belongings, like for me, sunglasses, purse, phone. I even had another project in it as well as the baby blanket, and it all fitted in. But that was in the larger version. This is the smaller version. So I'm very excited to use this one and see how it goes. If you want to see the review for the larger sized bag, I will put a link for you in the top right hand corner of this video tutorial. This isn't a video tutorial. It's an unboxing video. I'll put a link for you in the top right hand side, or I'll put a link in the description box for you if you would like to see the bigger version. It's pretty much just like this, just on a bigger scale. You just have a couple of more pockets and then a couple of more of these yarn guides on that section there, but it's still got that back section. It's got this little zip up thing on the top. The pockets are pretty much all the same. So yeah, just on a bigger scale. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it if you make a purchase via my affiliate links. Like I said, it does help keep my video tutorials and written patterns going for you. Thank you in advance. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, happy crochet.